Okay, here we have a Circa 1895 Pierce Engine Company from Racine, Wisconsin. This engine belongs to a friend of mine. I'm going to be delivering it to him. I thought before I did, I'd take a little video of it and show what it's all about. It's a really neat little engine, inverted, fractional horsepower. I do not believe it's a single horsepower. I think it's in the 3/4 horse or so. It's a really cool, very original engine. Really runs nice. I'm going to do a little walk around here and then I'm going to start it up and show it to you running. It is hit and miss. It's got a piston tripped igniter. So there we go. So let's see what we can do about starting it. Going to connect the power to it. Give it a little bit of gas, and it should start right up. Let's see. Almost. There we go. That easy. Don't you wish they were all that easy, huh? Governor working. Very, very simple operation. See if I can get a good shot of the tag. Very simple timing device. So, I guess that's it for now. I wish it was mine, but it's not, but at least I'll have a video to remember it by. Cheers.